What's up, guys? Welcome back. Um, Looking at Wynn today, and we could see price drove up, tagged the top of our channel here, and pulled back before sweeping back up, sweeping out some stops here, trapping traders, and driving lower. Now, we saw two legs lower, and at this point, I don't know if this long is necessarily worth taking. And it's because of these trap traders here. We're getting down to this level here, which I consider a zone for us to buy. And you'll see when I go on the daily, we're currently on the weekly, um, why this still looks bearish. It hasn't turned around yet. Although if you were to buy it today, it would have been a great day. I mapped out this trade showing you where I might put my stop. I'd probably put it just below quarter ATR below this bar. So something like that. That's a fantastic risk to reward ratio. You can take this trade, 20 or you can win this trade 2 times out of 10 and still be profitable on it. So why am I bearish? Well, let's look at seasonality really quick. You could see seasonality is 50-50. Doesn't really give us much confluence with the theory or the hypothesis that we're going to go higher. When you look at that sweep on the daily, it's much more dramatic. We started this uptrend, we had a downtrend. So we're really, the sweep is just a leg and a larger downtrend. So here's leg 1, this is going to be leg 2. And if I take and measure this, we still haven't met our objective from the top here. You can see that leg is supposed to go further down, although this could be a trap, a larger trap of the bearish traders as we don't make it down to this objective and we trap some of the longer term bears. So this leg is a bear leg. This movement up was a bear leg. We hit our top, got a nice pullback. This might have been a good entry. Would have paid off handsomely if you were in it and took some runners. We get to the top here, have some climactic activity as explained before in previous videos. We retrace down here, pull back up, sweep the shorts or the buy stops. We sweep those out, trap traders that were going to go long on this, thinking that the market had reversed, and brought them down. And you can see that in these bars that are here. This is a very strong bar. This completely reverses this bar, still trapping traders even further. And you can see the acceleration with the gaps down, never really filling, larger gap down, never really filled. Great bar, another great bar. Buyers thought here that they were going to get long on a range, just double bottom. They thought they were going to go up, and the market just rolled right through that. They were done buying at this level, and we took retail and trap traders even further down, and further down this way. So while the opportunity is great, and if you take these trades, these 5-to-1 risk reward ratios, you're going to profit handsomely. I don't know if this is the one that you necessarily want to take, even if we're measuring, like we haven't met our leg objective in this larger bear trend that we discussed, right? And we're a couple legs in here. You can see if as I go back. So are we turning around? I don't know. It's just a market structure shift. I don't know. We might have to get above here before we get really, really bullish on Wynn. But there is opportunity here. If you're hungry for a trade, this is one you can take. There are a bunch of bearish trades out there, though, so if that's something you want to do, you can, and you can use this as an offsetting trade for some of your bearish trades to balance your portfolio.